Hello my lovelies, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So I am Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel, and from the title you are aware already that I am going to show and share with you my latest Nykaa haul. But before we get into the video, if you are watching me for the first time, then hello, welcome to my channel. I am Eshna and I make beauty, fragrance, skincare and all sorts of videos. So if these get into your interest area, then please keep on watching. So if you can see, I have this huge Nykaa box to go through. Now I had purchased a couple of products from Nykaa, but they were delivered in separate boxes. So I collated all these products into one big box so that we can see. And I have all removed their bubble wraps and all, and here are all the products. I can't hold this box any longer, it's quite heavy, so let's get into each product in detail. So the first product I have is this Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine hand wash. Now we all need hand wash in this current scenario. Anyways, hand washes are important, and I wanted to try out this range. So instead of the perfume, I thought I might buy other products. And since I love the fragrance of this one, I haven't opened the seal, but I have a couple of products from this range which I'll show you in a while. So I have smelled the fragrance and I love it, so I might be reaching out for the body mist for this range as well. So as the name suggests, this is Wanderlust Hawaiian Jasmine. It is purely a jasmine related scent. So if you are interested and you like the smell of fresh white jasmine, then you will love this. The seal is here. I'm not breaking this because currently I'm using another hand wash. Once that is out, I'll shift to this one for sure. Now this one is 300 ml and it retails for rupees 225. However, I didn't buy it on full price. If you know me, I don't like buying things on full price. However, I don't remember the discounted prices. All those information will be there on screen. I'll try to give the original price maybe here and the discounted price maybe here. So yeah, this clear yellow liquid is quite nice to look at. It's quite heavy. Since this is 300 ml, it will last for some time, I'm sure. But I haven't used it, so how does it lather and all, I don't know. But from the first impression, yeah, looking forward to use it. Moving on to the next product from this range only. This is the shower gel from the Wanderlust Hawaiian range. This one I have smelled. It's a beautiful jasmine scent. I mean, it's so refreshing. You can see these are all clear bottles with clear yellow colored liquid. So the scent is pretty clear. It's clear, straight up jasmine. I believe only one note, and it's amazing. This one is also a 30 ml bottle which retails for rupees 350. Of course, forgot the discounted price. It will be there on screen, don't worry. Next up, I have the body yogurt from the same range. You will see body yogurt, and this is a good tub, the big tub. It's a 250 ml tub which is priced as rupees 550. So yes, if I compare it to the Body Shop body yogurts, then this is cheaper. And see, this is quite a big tub. And if I open it, it is secured with a lid like this. I'm not going to open that entire thing. You can see the consistency here. I'm trying to give you a better look. Yeah, it's not extremely runny. For being a yogurt as well, it is not extremely runny. So if I massage it in, it has a beautiful smell and it gets absorbed into the skin really quick, exactly like how a body yogurt is supposed to perform. It is quite lightweight, everything gets absorbed into the skin quite easily. Looking forward to use this one, and especially during this time and towards this monsoon and towards the fall season, because towards the winter I would prefer to use the body butter. Don't worry, I have the body butter as well. This is how the body butter looks like. The packaging is quite uniform. It has this jasmine flower imprinted, and that is the signature for all the packaging in this range. And like any other tub from Body Shop as well, the tub size is quite decent. It's quite big. You have minis available as well. And this is a 200 ml quantity and it retails for 550. The marked price is 550. I'll give the discounted price on screen. And this one is also, it has a secured lid. If I take the lid off, I'm not going to take the entire thing off. This is much more thicker and I believe befitting more colder months. I just want to quickly take this amount and try it on my hands. Smell is same, it's quite great. This one is more richer and much more moisturizing. So the body yogurt is best for the summers and the autumn, monsoon, these months, and the body butter is best for the winters, I believe. However, if you have extremely dry skin all throughout the year, you can go for body butters throughout the year as well. I have oily skin, so I'll keep body butters for only the areas where my feet and all, or my legs and all, which are dry. I will use the body butter, but for other areas of my body yogurt is the one. So yeah, looking forward to using these quite a lot. The best part about buying this half the range of Hawaiian Jasmine was getting 2 free products from Nykaa. So yeah, except the body mist, body lotion, body scrub and body milk, I purchased other 4 products, so it's exactly the half of the range, and I got this one for free. This is a body scrub from Nykaa's Wanderlust range, and this is from the range Sicilian Sweet Pea. So this is another range from the Wanderlust collection that Nykaa has, and this is a body scrub. I haven't used this ever, but this is quite a lot of product. I mean 140 grams, and this retails for rupees 350, so not a very cheap product, but yeah, I got it at free. So it is transparent in color. I'm sure you won't be able to see it. It's a tiny amount that came out. So it's a body scrub, so it has got certain gritty elements which will help you scrub. I'm not sure if my camera will pick that up, but yeah, looking forward to use it. And this smells quite good a lot. I mean, I might next try this range after I'm done with this Hawaiian Jasmine range. Who knows? Another free product I got from Nykaa was this one, and this is Nykaa's Go For Glow Super Hydrate Face Mask. It has this shiny blue packaging. I have seen this and other variants in this range as well, never used it, but yeah, it is mentioned it is made in Korea. Yeah, this one also smells good. So it's a face mask, and the sweet part is they gave a tiny little brush along with it as well. This is a silicone brush. I don't know how good it will be for application, but yeah, we'll find out. Yeah, overall it's quite nice. Got 2 free full-size products. Quite happy with Nykaa and the offers they go on having on their website. So one is a 50 ml product, and this retails for rupees 799, so not at all cheap. And I'm extremely happy that Nykaa gave this for free. I mean, thank you Nykaa. I'm super excited for all your offers and your free products. And the last Nykaa product from this haul is this Nykaa Whipped with Love Magnolia and White Tea. This is a hand cream. Now with all that hand washing that we have to go through every day, with the alcohol in the sanitizers and the soaps and all that, hand cream is a must to give your hand the nourishment that washes and the sanitizers take away. You need that kind of nourishment from this hand cream, and this smells divine. I mean, this is magnolia and white tea, so it has a beautiful floral scent, and it's quite hydrating for the hand as well. I'll quickly show you it. This is white in color, and if I blend it in, it doesn't give you any white cast, and it gets instantly absorbed in the skin. It's very moisturizing, and it has a beautiful floral pleasant smell. So yeah, I'm loving this hand cream. This is a 30 ml product which retails for rupees 275. So this one is the last product from Nykaa in this haul. I'll move on to other products which are not from Nykaa. I have 2 products from Body Shop, and the first is this Body Shop Tea Tree Face Lotion. Now this is a mattifying lotion, that is why I got attracted to it. This says that this is suitable for blemished skin. If you can see, it is mentioned here. I have a bit of blemishes here and there due to certain pimples and breakouts. So I hope this will help me, and since anything that mattifies on the face and yet hydrates the face, I'm always up for it. This smells wonderful, since it's tea tree, so it has that calming, soothing smell. So yeah, very much looking forward to use this. And we all know how Body Shop products are expensive. Getting any Body Shop product on discount is like an achievement in itself. So yeah, unless you buy during the discounts from Body Shop's website. I didn't purchase it from the Body Shop's website. The marked price for this is rupees 995. This is a 50 ml product, and on discount I grabbed it, I think something around 850. I don't remember. All the prices will be on screen. So it says with purifying tea tree oil from the foothills of Mount Kenya, this has been extracted, it says. So I believe this will be good. So looking forward to use this one. And the next Body Shop product that I got is this perfume. This is the Japanese Cherry Blossom Strawberry Kiss variant. This is an EDT or eau de toilette. This is in a beautiful cardboard packaging it came. And when I open the product, I have some information from Body Shop right here. And this is how the bottle looks. It's quite classy, just like any other Body Shop perfumes. It has a similar packaging. It smells quite nice. But yeah, I'm not going to give you a lot of details on this one because I intend to review this in detail sometime later, so watch out for that. So this 50 ml retails for rupees 1995. Yes, this is expensive, quite expensive, but I remember getting a good discount on this one. Exact price I don't remember, but it was discounted. And then I have just one lipstick, and this is from the Flower Beauty brand. I'm not sure if you can make out the name. But yeah, this is from Flower Beauty. This is the Miracle Matte Lip range, and this is in the shade Crimson Touch. I'll quickly give you a swatch. Pretty much a standard applicator. This is not doe foot, but a standard applicator. Oh my god, this has a moussey consistency. I was wondering why this price. Flower Beauty lipsticks are extremely expensive, so I wanted to see what is the fuss all about. This is the color. This is a stunning color, Crimson Touch. Beautiful red color. This is a moussey consistency, and if this becomes matte on your lips, I'm pretty much sure it will make you feel good while wearing as well. It will not take the life out of your lips, because on my hand this feels nothing, so I'm sure on the lips it will feel nothing as well. Yeah, so looking forward to use this. This retails for rupees 825, and I'm not clear exactly what price I paid. I'll check and I put it on the screen, but I'm sure this was lesser than 500 when I purchased it, so it was a great discount that I could grab this. I'm not sure how far this is transfer proof or not. Yeah, this transfers, or else it is still drying, so I don't know, we'll see. But it's quite heavily pigmented. One stroke and you're good to go. Finally, I have a useful product which we use it every day while showering. And this is this one. This is a back sponge brush from Vega. This is a very utilitarian product, especially for your back scrubbing and all. Yeah, I was looking for one, and the loofah attached to this stick is quite good quality, and yeah, this is a useful product. That's why I paid full price for it. This is 150 rupees, but this is an extremely useful everyday purpose product, so I don't mind spending that much amount. I mean, 150 is just fine. And judging by the quality of the wooden stick as well, this is wood, I believe this will last long. Yeah, quite happy with the purchase, and I haven't used any of these, so all these are kind of first impressions, but this one, it's a good product. I can vouch for it because I have been using this from the time all these products were delivered, so extremely happy with this one. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed everything that I showed. These are all utilitarian things. One product is only makeup, rest, and one is perfume. Rest are all for skin and body care. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section if you have used any of these products or you plan to try any of these products. Also, don't forget to take a moment to hit the subscribe button and join my family, and also ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future updates. And make sure you turn it all so that you get all my future updates from the personalized section after you hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.